Here at the InterDam production facility, we're working on a project of several pneumatic operated sliding doors. Originally, this project was built in 1998 for the northern North Sea. It is now here for a lifetime extension to last for another 15 years in the harsh conditions of the North Sea. Instead of renewal, there has been chosen for complete renovation of the doors in order to reduce the carbon footprint. InterDam is an engineer, manufacturer, installer and maintainer of blast and fire resisting items such as doors, walls and windows. We do this for a variety of industries like offshore wind, tunnels, LNG, defense and the oil and gas offshore and onshore market.